feel like Mr. Rogers. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Buen dia, Crooklyn crew. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's my very first unboxing doing sneakers, so I'm super excited. And these sneakers, I've been waiting on them, and I'm so excited to share this unboxing with you guys. So let's just jump straight into it. So for me, sneakers are a big thing. I love sneakers. I'm a tomboy. I like streetwear. So 99.9% of my life, I've been in sneakers. I don't wear shoes. I'm not super girly. So I'm pretty excited about this cop that I got because I've been wearing Dunks since high school. I've been wearing Jordans since junior high school. So I'm excited to do an unboxing with you guys on these sneakers. So in 2001, there was a release for Dunks in Japan, only in Japan, and I feel like the world went crazy. Well, the sneakerhead world went crazy, and they dropped the Ugly Duckling pack. 3 amazing Dunks. The first one was the plum, the second was like the ceramics, and the third was the veneers. All 3 sneakers are amazing. I'm not a fan of things that's purple, but green is my favorite color. And I feel like I had to jump on these. Like when I seen that they was bringing these back out, I was just like, yo, I have to have those kicks. So I copped 2 of the 3 sneakers that's from the Ugly Duckling pack. I didn't get the plum. The plum is like, let me show you guys. The plum is like a purple, and I think it has like some like burgundy in it. So this is what the plum sneakers, the plum low Dunks look like. I did not cop these, but I did get the other 2 sneakers from the Ugly Duckling pack. So I'm going to unbox them and I'm going to put them on my feet. I want you guys to see what they look like because I'm just so happy. I'm excited. Like, so these are the ceramics. Let's start with these. Like I said, I got a size 5.5, and these retailed at $100. Look, everyone wants to boycott the sneakers app. It's like impossible to get sneakers on there, but I feel like once you put that out into the universe, like, yo, these sneakers are coming home with me. They're gonna come home with you eventually. Like, you're gonna get a cop from there. And I was so lucky to get a cop. I've gotten a few cops from the sneakers app, so don't give up hope, okay? Don't give up hope when it comes to the sneakers app, because one day I believe that you will get your cop, okay? I believe in y'all. These are the ceramics, green, orange, black with the green laces. The sole has the white and then the orange on the very bottom. All these Dunks retail at $100. But let me tell you, when you miss that drop, trying to get those, like trying to get these at resale on like StockX or wherever you try to cop these from, good luck, because they be reselling these sneakers for like they resell these sneakers at like $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800. However much they want to resell these joints for, that's how much they resell these joints for. Like, these sneakers be going for like $600 after the drop. Once you miss that drop, it's a wrap, pretty much. But I am so lucky because I speak things into existence, and I get my sneakers. When I really want something, I'm gonna get them things, okay? And I really wanted these. I feel like Mr. Rogers. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? and I want to do like a little sneaker cam for you guys, so let's do that. So here's my little sneaker cam. This is what it looks like. This is because are so fly. I love them. Can't wait to wear them. They're giving me very much spooky season vibes with the orange, the green. This is something that you want in your collection right here. I'm telling you. So fly. So now I'm just gonna do my unboxing right here because I feel like you guys need a little sneaker cam action. So I'm gonna give it to y'all. So now I'm opening the veneers. Oh, they're so freaking beautiful. Let me tell you. So it's some brown, that purple with the purple laces, and the white sole with the purple at the very bottom. Come on, y'all. Let me put these on my feet real quick. And also, look at these socks. Come on. If you didn't see my latest haul video, check that out, because I tell you where I buy my socks from. Take care of y'all sneakers, y'all. Don't leave them in the box if you got white sneakers. Get something, get a little container to put them in so that your sneakers don't change colors. It don't turn a musty looking dusty yellow color. You don't want that. Take care of your sneakers like they was your children. That ass. So now, these are the veneers. These also retail at $100, but like I said, resale is like $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 if you don't get that cop. Very comfortable, giving me very much Oscar the Grouch vibes, you know. I love it. So cute. Okay, so now, like I said, I didn't even try these on, open these out the box or nothing. This is my first time trying them on. I did it for y'all. I did it for y'all. So I copped the 11s, the Jubilee 11s. Super happy about those because I feel like I'm into like basic colors. I'm not super bright. I don't wear stuff that's like neon and bright as hell. So like I have a lot of black, I have a lot of white, a lot of gray, a lot of greens like this. I'm very, you know, I'm low key. So I thought that this would have been a great collection to a great add to my sneaker collection. I thought this was amazing because it's simple, black, white. It's beautiful. I'm not a fan of old Jordans. Like my favorite Jordans are probably the 7s, the Olympic 7s, the Cardinal 7s. I love the 12s, the Taxis. The 11s are cool, but they're not my favorite. And you would never catch me in no 4s. You would never catch me in no 5s. I don't wear those type of Jordans, but the 7s, the 11s, the 12s, the 9s, you might catch me in some 9s. I love those. Those are like masterpieces, like for real. So, super pumped about this cop. They just so classy. Like they're so classy. Like I need to try these on for y'all, like properly. Let me put these on properly. I'm gonna sit down and try these on. The laces are just so nice and thick. Like they're so thick. I just love them. This like shiny leather, and like it's just, these are so classy. Like honestly, masterpiece, masterpiece, masterpiece. So happy I got these. And these are probably be my last sneakers of the year. These are the only sneakers I'll probably get for the rest of 2020. You know, my birthday's coming up, so I felt like, baby, you should enjoy yourself. For real, because when you have kids, you come last. Like all the mommies out there know, like once you have kids, it's a wrap for that. And I just want to continue to be the super dope, stylish, comfortable, cozy mom that I want to be, you know? You could be anything you want to be in this world. And if you want to be a tomboy for life, then you could be a tomboy for life. Don't let nobody make you feel like you're less of a woman because you like wearing sweatpants and you like wearing hats and you like buying kicks and spending your money on kicks. Just don't OD, you know what I'm saying? Like, make sure it's worth it, especially if you have kids, because priorities. And my kid's birthday just passed, so everybody's good in the household, and my birthday's next, you know? So mommy wants to treat herself. These are so fire. Yo, if you didn't cop these, and I got like the pre-drop. I didn't, like, they actually dropped December 15th or 14th, one of those days. They actually dropped around my birthday, so I'm happy that I got these way before the actual drop, because I'm Gucci, you feel me? Let me give y'all a little shoe cam. Hold on. Let me give you a little shoe cam. Okay. So like I said, very classy. Very, I can wear you whenever I want. So classy. Like, what? What? Why wouldn't you cop these? I just feel like, y'all see me? Y'all see me? Okay, hitting my hood poses. Okay, too low, but still, you see, they're so beautiful, y'all. Like, they just, these are fire. Like, they fire. Very comfortable. So that's literally all that I wanted to show you guys today, because I felt like it was a new type of video. Maybe someone wants to see this unboxing, you know, see them close up. Let me give y'all a real close up of these before I go. So these are the Jubilee 11s. Classy, classy. Chef's kiss on these, okay? Very classy, right? Then we got the ceramics. Fly. Then we got the veneers. Extra, extra fly. Real drippy. You feel me? Y'all see what I'm doing? Let me stop. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this little unboxing. Open my sneakers on camera. And I've actually had these sneakers sitting in my house for like the past week. But I had to find time to try and do this video because life is a little hectic. So yeah, that's all I want to show you guys in today's video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you are a part of La Familia, I just want to say thank you for rocking out with me. Thank you for being subscribed. It means so much to me. Keep rocking out with me because I have more dope content coming for you guys. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite Jordans or favorite sneakers are. If you're a sneakerhead, where you're located at. I just want to know so much about you guys. That's what I'm here for. Talk to me. We're friends. We're friends. You feel me and I feel you. We're here. We're here. Okay? Crooklyn crew, we're here. Talk to me. Like I was saying, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know if you guys want to see more content like this, because I can definitely provide more content like this. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share with your family and friends, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.